drives my political ambition? The desire or the desire to be remembered beyond one's lifetime or after one has long passed away. Di ba may kasabihan sa Ingles, if you can't write a book, might as well be written about. I can't write a book. I can't sing, so I can't leave a CD behind. I can't act, so I can't leave a DVD behind. I can't write, so I can't leave a book behind. I would want somehow to be remembered beyond my lifetime for having done something good, something right, something that the people actually felt. And the only thing I know is serving in government as a lawyer or as a professor. Wala pa kaming anak ng misis ko. Wala pa akong maiiwan ng mabuting tao siguro sa mundo para sabihin na ito yung pamana ko sa mundo. Right now, what I have is what I know I can do insofar as my present position is concerned. And that is my basic driving force insofar as entering politics is concerned and staying in politics is concerned. But politics, having said that, is not my end all be all. I don't eat politics for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and whenever I sleep, I don't dream of politics. Hindi politika ang hangin na hinihinga ko. At maswerte siguro ako sa edad na 37, nasa crossroad ako para malaman, ito ba ba ang gagawin ko, hindi yan. Maghahanap pa ako ng ibang dahilan na rason para maski na pa na maalala ko pagkatapos ko pumanaw, o dito na talaga yung lugar para makakuha at makita ko yun.
So what will make you get out?
Pag sinabi na sa akin ng tao na ayaw nila sa akin at matalo ako sa eleksyon, I will not run for any other position after that.
After this election.
After this election.
And if you win, what
And I hope, and